Hello, Timbersurf here with an announcement. The Model Rail Crewe exhibition held at the Coppenhall Club in Crewe in the Midlands on the 22nd of June 25. That's a Sunday. Now it is its second inaugural thingamajig. It's going to be a great show with 15 layouts, 4 traders and 2 club stands. And it's a great venue because they have a bar, licensed bar, and excellent food. I can strongly recommend the food. Make a day of it. If the weather's good, which it should be, because look at what it's like at the present moment, you can eat outside. There are some picnic tables. Fantastic venue, easy parking, but they will fill up very quickly. However, there is a free shuttle bus service so that you can park and ride, as it were, from the railway station or from the Ibis Hotel, where there's plenty of free parking. I will be organising a YouTubers meet and greet in the afternoon. So if you want to meet YouTubers that you follow on Model Railways channels, there's a good chance they may well turn up, or if you're one yourself, please do try and turn up. All are welcome. We had, 15-20 odd last year of well-known faces, and hoping to get as many or more this year. So from me, Timbersurf, it's ciao for now.